of the Navy. 308s and ARPs, you know we totin' shit so heavy. Long live Flock and Aunt, meet this shit so forever. Tell these niggas keep it.
FLOCKSPORT! Hey, we really FLOCKSPORT. My birthday today, you know what I'm saying? Happy birthday to my brother, you know what I'm saying? Damn, that motherfucker sound good. There you go.
There you go. You got 17? 17 interior. He's still working on it. The door panels, everything. It doesn't have the 17 interior in it. It's got the denali front clip on it.
That's hard.
Got a color back.
Got the scoop on the hood on the front of it.
I got the other one out back. I can bring it out for you and see.
We got the denali grill here.
This one's ground up. That's all I got. It ain't like you just slap some wheels and move them and they done. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you play wrong for everything. As I told you, they close it this year.
Ooh. I fucked them before. That's crazy. That thing talking at me.
Yeah. That's right there. You get that sitting right down right there. Mm-hmm. You hear that, bro?
I just need a cam. That's all I need.
I got a 94 Creek with LC1 in it. I put a cam, lifting, and all that. I just want some sound.
You just want a little shock to it, right?
Yeah, I just want some.
I got something I need a cam in too here.
You know what I'm saying? I got motherfuckers trying to call me out, talking about they king of
Yeah.
bubbles and shit. I don't like that.
They said the king of the
They
bubble,
talk about
man.
bubbles and shit. I don't like that. Fuck.
Down right there, man, I'll just be honest with you.
Let me hear that one more time. Let me hear that one more time for my YouTube. I need to hear that. That
There's a 2017 Camaro sitting there, SS sitting there. It's got the LT motor in it. But down right there, sitting right here on the road right here. They can't leave that. Yeah, not say they can't leave it. That one was actually, that was fun.
He got the first.
Hey, you know what I mean?
Yeah, he got the first GLL too.
Reverse low heads and all that.
damn.
So, I mean, I can tell you, you're going right, probably this camera radio too, we got about
I love that, y'all. What you think about this? About this? What you think about that, Fergie? I want that about 75 like this. Yeah. Now we got fine side and Frankie, ain't it? Yeah.
What it is?
What you say? Yeah, my birthday today. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, hit me up, man. We're turning up tonight now. You know what I'm saying? Find out where we're going. Find out where we're going to be at.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? All that FLOCKSPORT shit going on. All that FLOCKSPORT shit going on. There's a whole lot of FLOCKSPORT shit going on. For sure. For real. Only my brother, man.